So ninth class, is the PPT visible to everyone? Is the PPT visible? All right. So that day I was discussing with you the topic of output devices. Let us continue from this topic again. Beta, as you know, output device means the device that displays the output on the screen. When the output is displayed on the screen, that is called soft copy. And when you take the printout of the output, that is called the hard copy. Hard copy is always obtained via printer. Printer is also an output device. And our main and basic output device is monitor. Monitor has a second name also, VDU. VDU is known as Visual Display Unit. VDU is known as Visual Display Unit. This is another name of monitor. All right. And the picture that you see on the monitor, that picture is made up of thousands of tiny colored dots. And each dot is known as pixel. Each dot is known as a pixel. The combination of pixels, when pixels they get combined together, that makes the image which you see on the screen. All right. Now, various categories and various types of monitors. First is CRT monitor. Beta, you must be aware about the full forms of each category of monitor. Beta, first is CRT, cathode ray tube. What was the main purpose of CRT monitor? Beta, CRT monitors looks like television. These days we have LCDs at home. In the older days when LCDs were not there, televisions were there. You might have seen some old type television. In the same structure, CRT monitor used to be quite heavy in weight and they consume lot of power. Power consumption was very high in CRT monitor. Actually, the basic technique behind CRT monitor was they used to have a gun like device at the back and the gun shoots the ray, the beam of electrons, and that electrons used to strike on the pixels, phosphorus dots, pixels that were on the screen, surface of the screen. And when it strikes the pixels, they glow up, right? That glowing of the pixel creates an image. Clear? Next category of monitor is LCD, liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal basically is a material that is used to create pixels on the screen. They are also known with the other name TFT. TFT stands for thin film transistor. It is a device within each pixel that is used to set the charge the pixels. Now, due to this tiny transistors, it is known as TFT, and due to the liquid crystal material, it is known as LCD. So LCD stands for liquid crystal display and TFT stands for thin film display. Now, what are the differences between LCD and CRT monitor? CRT monitors were heavy in weight. LCDs were light in weight. CRT monitors consume high power consumption. LCD consumes less power. Okay, clear? Now, and the third difference is the image quality of LCD monitors was much better than the image quality of CRT monitors. These are the three popular and technical differences between LCD and CRT. Next is plasma display. Beta, plasma display also called PDP. PDP stands for plasma display panel. Such type of monitors are able to display wide variety of colors, wide contrast of colors. It is basically a flat type monitor, flat in size, and the power consumption is more as compared to LCD. Next is touch screen monitor. I have a question here from 9C class. How many of you have visited ATMs? How many of you have operate ATM machine? Might be your father has given you the debit card sometimes to withdraw cash, or if you have seen your father withdrawing cash from ATM. Have you ever touched the screen? Have you ever touched the screen? When you touch the option on the screen, the sensor inside the screen, they detect the touch of the finger, and object opens up. One more live example I give you, your smartphones, your touch phones. With the finger, you open each and every object. With the finger, you can navigate through the different themes, right? You can open any menu, you can open any object, you can open the Play Store, you can play any game. So the touch of the finger is detected by the sensors which are attached inside the machine. Okay, right? Next and the last type of monitor is OLED. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Display. Sometimes you can have such questions. What does letter L in OLED stands for? You can have individual full form also. L for light, E for emitting, D for display, O for organic. All right, clear? Now in the organic light emitting display type of monitor, the electronic current is passed through the organic material, which enables the pixels to glow. It is very thin in size, very light in weight, but very expensive as compared to CRT and LCD monitor. Differences among various type of monitors must be known to you. Now another type of output device is printer. Most of you might be having printer at home. Some of you might be having inkjet printer. Some of you might be having the laser printer. Beta, printer is a device that is used to print the hard copy of the output. Whatever you see on the screen, that is the soft copy I told you earlier. If you take the printout of that on the A4 size page, you will obtain the hard copy of the image that you can keep permanent in your records. Now printer are of two types: impact printer, non-impact printers. What are impact printers? The main feature of impact printers is there is a contact between the head and the paper. When the head it gets in contact with the paper, a noise is produced. That is why impact printers are called noisy printers. They are slow in speed as compared to non-impact printers. They are inexpensive. They are of less cost as compared to non-impact printers. And examples of impact printers are dot matrix and daisy wheel printer. Next type of printer is non-impact printers. Beta, non-impact printers is totally reverse of the impact printers. As I told you, in impact printers, there is contact between the head and the paper. But in non-impact printers, there is no contact, no mechanical contact between the head and the paper. That is why non-impact printers are silent printers. They are not noisy printers. And non-impact printers are expensive as compared to impact printers. The image quality of non-impact printers is much better than the impact printers. Now, what are the examples of non-impact printers? Laser, inkjet, thermal, electromagnetic printer. Okay. Next type of output device is speakers. You might have speakers installed along with your computer, or these days the new laptops which are coming, they have inbuilt speakers. Sorry. Now speakers are also an output device that receives the audio from the computer sound card, and they produce audio output in form of sound waves. Sorry. The output is generated in form of sound from the speaker, right? Then plotter output device is used to print large size drawings. You might have seen the architect when they bring the map, the large size drawing of the house, or the large size image, any large shape drawing on the large size paper, which is not possible to take from the printer, is done with the help of plotter. So the main use of plotter is to print the large size drawings, right? And plotters uses pen, pencil, marker, and any other possible drawing tool, right? There are two type of plotters, pen plotter and photo plotter. Last but not the least, your last output device is projector. You might have seen projector in the school classes. Downstairs, when you attend your classes, you might have seen projector in the rooms. Projector means the large size screen, maybe any flat surface, right? Maybe the white screen, or maybe the wall itself. Whenever we have business meetings, whenever we have to deliver the presentations in the meetings, it is generally done on the projector. The screen size is much bigger as compared to a normal monitor of computer, right? So projector is an output device that is used to display the information on the computer screen in the larger view as compared to the monitor. Okay, clear? So that the output is viewed by large number of people. Clear? Am I clear up till here? 9C, is the lecture clear up till here? All the output devices, input devices. All right. Now here I put an end to the chapter. Our second chapter is totally finished. Now, let us revise all the concepts of the chapter once again. And for your convenience, I have created the revision part for your chapter in the form of MCQs. Let us discuss those MCQs. If you have thoroughly understood the chapter, definitely you will be able to answer MCQs. Okay. But first of all, let me finish the question. Then raise your hand. I will unmute you one by one and you will answer the questions. Okay. This is the summary of the complete chapter in the form of MCQs. Another name of primary memory is internal memory. Beta, let me finish the question, then raise the hand. The another name of primary, Chaitanya, put your hand down. Another name of primary memory is internal memory, main memory, both A and B, auxiliary memory. Raise your hand when I will finish the question. Yes, Navedita. Navedita, I'm not able to hear you.
Main memory.
No, beta, it is not main.
Main memory.
It is not main memory, beta. Yes.
Internal memory.
Yes. Ishani, you answer the question. Ishani, unmute yourself. Ishani, unmute yourself, beta. Beta, are you able?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you tell me the answer of this question. Another name of primary memory is?
Sir, I'm not able to hear your voice.
Another name of primary memory is internal memory, main memory, both A and B, auxiliary memory. Okay, Gaurav, you answer the question.
Sir, both A and B.
Very correct. The correct answer is both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. Okay, second MCQ. Put your hand down, all of you. Another name of secondary memory is internal memory, external memory, auxiliary memory, both B and C. Both B and C. Yes, Anshaya, unmute yourself.
Sir, both B and C.
The D option is correct. Both B and C. Very right. Very correct. So the second MCQ has D option, correct one. Beta, put your hand down. Now, in the abbreviation ASCII, letter C stands for computer, code, coding, character. Yes, Chaitanya, unmute yourself.
Sir, code.
B option, code. The correct answer is B option, code. Very good, Chaitanya. All right. Next MCQ. In the abbreviation ASCII, letter S stands for? Letter S stands for? Yes, Dhwani, unmute yourself.
Sir, standard.
Very correct. C option, standard. Beta, when you give the answer, all of you please speak the correct letter also. C option or D option or A option. So up till now, 4 MCQs we have revised. Next, let us move to the fifth MCQ. Unicode stands for? Unicode stands for? Yes, Raghav, unmute yourself.
Sir, option A, universal code.
Very correct. A option, universal code. A option, universal code. All right. 1 kilobyte is equal to dash. 1 kilobyte is equal to dash. Yes, Gia and Janvi, unmute yourself. Gia, Janvi, unmute.
1024 bytes.
A option, you want to go with A option? Gia, Janvi, you are with A option?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. 1024 bytes. Very correct. All right. Seventh MCQ. 1 GB is equal to dash. 1 GB is equal to dash. Yes, Tanveen Kaur, unmute yourself.
Sir, B option 1024 MB.
Very correct. 1024 MB. Very correct. All right. Let us move to the eighth MCQ. 1 petabyte is equal to dash. 1 petabyte is equal to dash. Yes, Manyaveet, unmute yourself.
C option 1024 TB.
Yes, very correct. C option 1024 TB. Good. Ninth MCQ. Which of the following statement is true for RAM? It is volatile. It is fast in execution. It is temporary in nature. All above. Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Sir, all above.
D option,
D
all above.
option, all above.
Very correct, Gaurav. Good. 10th MCQ. Which of the following statement is not true for Rome? It is non-volatile. It is fast in execution. It is permanent in nature. It contains preloaded instructions with respect to. WRT stands for with respect to rebooting of computer. Yes, Raghav, unmute yourself.
Sir, option C, it is permanent in, sorry, sir, option A, it is non-volatile.
Wrong, Raghav. This is not the correct answer. Anshya, you tell correct answer. Unmute yourself.
Sir, option B, it is fast in execution.
Yes, very correct. The B option, it is fast in execution. So I think you people all have understood the chapter very carefully. That is why you all are able to give the answers. Very good. Good response by 9C. Which of the following is or are IAS memory? Hard disk, floppy, RAM and ROM, CD. Which memory is known as IAS? Hard disk, floppy, RAM and ROM, CD. Yes, Tanveen.
Sir, C, RAM and ROM.
C option, RAM and ROM. C option, RAM and ROM. Very good. 12th MCQ. Dash is the storage capacity of CD. Yes, Garima, unmute yourself, bete.
Sir, D, 700 MB.
Which answer, beta?
Sir, D option 700 MB.
Very correct. D option 700 MB. Very good, Garima. Shabash. Okay, 13th MCQ. Pick out the odd one from the given options. Hard disk, pen drive, Blu-ray disc, ROM. Yes, Chaitanya, unmute yourself.
Sir, home.
ROM. D option, ROM. Very good, Chaitanya. Very good. Shabash. All right. 14th MCQ. Now see, this is true and false. Sometimes you can have true or false as MCQ. The hard disk has storage capacity of approximate 512 GB. Oh, Harshit has raised hand. Yes, Harshit.
Sir, true.
No, beta, it's not true. The correct answer is false. Beta, capacity of hard disk is up till 1 TB. Okay, so it is false. But I'm happy, Harshit, you have at least tried. Good. Okay. Pen drive is also known as light pen, USB drive, memory stick, storage stick. Yes, Krishna, unmute yourself.
Memory stick.
No, beta, it's not memory stick. The correct answer is B, USB drive. Okay. The device used for processing of checks in the bank. OCR, MICR, OMR, BCR. Yes, Prabjot, unmute yourself.
Sir, MICR.
Very correct, MICR. B option, MICR. Very good. Very nice. 17th MCQ. It is the type of scanner. Handheld, flatbed, drum, all above. So many hands are raised in all the questions. That proves all of you have understood the chapter. Very good response by 9C. Excellent. Yes, Lavanya.
Sir, all of above.
Very correct, Lavanya. All above. Very good. It is an example of noisy printer. Dot matrix, laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer. Yes, Ishani, unmute yourself.
Sir, A option, dot matrix printer.
Very correct. Dot matrix printer is the correct option. Very good, Ishani. Good response. All right. 19th MCQ. In the abbreviation OLED, the letter O stands for. Yes, Anshya, unmute yourself.
Sir, B option organic.
Very correct. B option, organic. Very good. Last MCQ. It is another name of the monitor. Light pen, projector, VDU, touchscreen. Again, so many hands. Let me see the child who has not answered in the previous. Yes, Gurleen Kaur, you will try. Gurleen, you try, beta. Unmute yourself. Yes, Gurupal, unmute yourself. You try.
Sir, projector.
No, beta, it is VDU. The another name of monitor is VDU. Okay.